Hello and welcome to the University of Genova's fellowship program. Please, would you like to come and join me and learn more about laser dentistry? Would you like to enhance your practice by laser assisted bleaching and laser assisted depigmentation as well? Would you like to learn the nuances of how to do it and how to do it well from the masters themselves?
The University of Genoa is one of the oldest universities in Europe. The earliest evidence of its existence goes back to 1481, which makes it the 37th oldest university in the world, among those that are still active. An old ancient university, but still in perfect shape and health.